meant as a joke or meme. What's actually happening? The pop-up says, "Moon collision warning. This is an emergency. If you are reading this, the moon will crash into the Earth soon. Evacuate now." Error code 3561. Leave. There are intentional spelling errors like emergency should be emergency, all suggesting it's a fake warning message, possibly from a game like Roblox where players create silly pop-ups in-game. Solution: this is not a system or real error. To fix or remove this, 1. If in a game, e.g. Roblox, click Leave to exit the fake game or server. Report the game if it's being misleading. 2. If it keeps popping up, check for browser extensions or scripts modifying UI. Scan your system for malware or prankware, just in case. Bonus tip: if you're on Roblox and this happened, the game might be trolling or designed as a prank experience.